Breaking news. China and North Korea reaffirmed strategic alliance amid global power shifts. Hello, it is breaking news on Desitdown News. My name is Michael Jong. Now the stories and details. North Korean leader Kim Jong and Chinese President Xi Jinping have strengthened their country's strategic alliance during a high-profile summit in Beijing. Kim pledged North Korea's unwavering support to China's sovereignty, territorial integrity, and national interests, echoing the blood of burn between the two nations. Kim Jong-un assured Jinping of North Korea's loyalty to China first, proposing support on key issues like Taiwan and the South China Sea. Xi emphasized China's desire to maintain and expand cooperation with North Korea, calling the relationship a pillar of regional peace and stability. The leaders discussed expanding military and economic ties, enhancing regional security coordination, and increasing diplomatic exchanges. Both countries expressed mutual opposition to US-led alliances in the Asia-Pacific region, signaling a united front against Western pressure. The growing closeness between Beijing and Pyongyang could reshape regional power dynamics, particularly with North Korea strengthening ties with Russia. The summit outcome signals a more assertive and aligned front among the region's authoritarian power, particularly challenging US influence in the Asia-Pacific. For more breaking news around the world, please follow us on all our social media platforms at Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe all our YouTube channel. My name is Michael Jong. Thanks for joining us.
Don't forget to follow us for more content.